What is going on, everybody? My name is Ray, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make these car reels. So I've been making these really cool car reels. They've been getting really good engagement on Instagram. Today I'm gonna be shooting a Honda NSX. I'm gonna show you guys how I shoot these car reels. I'm gonna show you guys what equipment I use. Yeah, let's get to it. No, I got a Civic and all, but I ain't as fast as him. This is fucking sick, bro. Ah, motherfuckers. So we got kicked out by security, but he gave us like 5 minutes to shoot, so I had to rush and get whatever I can. But I wanted to do an overview of how I shoot these car reels. So first off, make sure you decide whether you're shooting horizontally or vertical. Instagram reels are vertical, obviously, but I'm shooting horizontal. It all really depends on what you want to do with the video, and I'll show you guys at the end. So I wanted to show you guys more of a hands-on type of tutorial, but since we got kicked out, I wasn't able to do that. But I will show you guys how I create these reels in post-production in another video. And here's the final video. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we almost got kicked out. We had like 5 minutes to record, but look how much I'm sweating. It's hot out here. It's like humid because it's been raining out here in Vegas. I'm glad I have an extra shirt. I didn't have enough time to really vlog or talk. I needed to get my shots and go. This is the reason why when I do these car shoots, we always get kicked out. Vegas should be like a public place to shoot, you know? It's beautiful, right? Just finished up. I got some stuff that I wanted, but I didn't get all, so we'll save it for next time. And I don't know, it's time to go eat or something. You wanna go eat?